Ever wondered how to find that rare collector's item or score a great deal on the latest tech gadget? Welcome to the world of online shopping, where convenience meets variety. Among the numerous platforms, eBay stands out as a top choice. Well, look no further than eBay, your one-stop shop for all your shopping needs. Getting started on eBay is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, visit the eBay homepage. Second, click on Register at the top left corner. Lastly, fill in your details and create a secure password. And voila, you're ready to start your eBay journey. Navigating eBay may seem daunting at first, but it's actually quite straightforward. Start by typing your desired item into the search bar at the top of the page. For more specific results, use the advanced search option or apply filters such as price range, item condition, and location. To explore a variety of items, check out the categories listed on the homepage. They're a delightful labyrinth of possibilities, from electronics to fashion. With these tips, you'll be navigating eBay like a pro in no time. Now that you're familiar with the eBay platform, it's time to dive into the exciting world of online bidding and shopping. To buy an item, you can either place a bid or use the Buy It Now option. Bidding allows you to compete with other shoppers for the item, while Buy It Now lets you purchase instantly at a set price. After choosing your item, complete the transaction by selecting your payment method and confirming your shipping details. And that's it. You've successfully purchased your first item on eBay. So you see, shopping on eBay is as easy as pie. A world of variety awaits you, with a plethora of items you won't find elsewhere. From vintage records to the latest tech gadgets, eBay has it all. And the prices? Absolutely competitive. But that's not all. The thrill of bidding, the anticipation of winning that item you've been eyeing, it's all part of the eBay adventure. So why wait? Dive into the exciting world of eBay today and discover a whole new shopping experience.